So I'm here to talk to you about the new light from Weeylite. This is the RB08P. It's an LED light. Takes micro USB power. Also has an internal battery of 3000 milliamps and can take 5-volt input power. This thing has a max output of about 8 watts, but honestly, I think it's a little bit more powerful than that. For the size, it's pretty dang powerful. So here you can see it's going up to 100%. We're up to 5500K on the light here. You can see we can switch between our modes with this button. Mode 1 is going to be our color modes. Mode 2 is going to allow us to actually skip between these in 100K jumps. We can go from 85 all the way down to 2500K. So it's going to give us a very, very warm kind of glow, but it also gives us a very icy glow if we go up to the top. Having a nice wide range like that is very handy, and it will jump faster if you press and hold the light. Going to our next mode, we actually get RGB on this thing too, which I think is great. The RGB mode on this gives you HSL mode, which is hue, saturation, and luminance. We can set our luminance here. Let's say we want to raise that all the way back up to 100. We're gonna go there. Our brightness is at 100, and this is gonna control our color. So this is the actual hue right here. You can see it's pretty smooth as you move through the colors. It's basically stepless, and finding that in a small light is very, very difficult. All right, let's move on to our next mode. Mode 4 is going to give us actual RGB blend. So here we can switch through each RG and B lighting, and we can set the intensity of each individually. So if you want full red, all you have to do is go to this mode and set G and B to 0 and red to 100%. Very cool. Next mode is going to be different lighting modes. So here we have a cycle. We're in mode C. It's at 100% brightness. B is going to be a little bit faster, and A will be the fastest yet. So on this mode, I start to notice a little bit of stepping in the color, but it's still very seamless. Next mode is going to be a lightning mode. We have a couple settings here, A, B, and C. Each are just different timings, so what I would suggest is taking several of these lights and using them in conjunction with each other. Off camera, something like that, where you can have these just lighting up the ceiling or lighting up behind a window. Next mode is going to be an emergency vehicles mode. So this is police, I believe, and then we have ambulance, fire, maybe? Just 3 different modes of emergency vehicles here. Now we actually have our scenes in mode 8. So here we have birthday, which is going to be some warm kind of washy tones. We'll go back to 1 to check that out. That's going to be more reddish. That looks like cocktails. Here's birthday. Switching between green and orange. This is a green mode, which I think is just really, really, really green. Here we have night, where we're gonna get some blues and some purples. Looks like fireworks on this one. This one looks like it's going through our different RGB colors from 0 to 100%, just fading them in and out, and then back to the beginning. Cool. All right, so here we have our presets. You can cycle through all of those. Cloudy, shade, incandescent. This looks like tungsten, and then outdoor at 5200K. Altogether, I think this is a really great little light for the money. Very, very rugged feeling. Feels like you could drop this thing off the top of a building and it would be fine. And overall, a great little package for the cost. So this is the Weeylite RB08P. It's an LED light from Weeylite. Little 3.7 volts. 3000 milliamp battery inside of it. You can keep charged up. My only complaint is that you can't actually charge this thing and use it at the same time, but otherwise it's been fantastic. I've really liked having this around with me. Very useful little light. Can fit in a lot of different places very easily. So definitely worth checking out. If you're looking for something that can just fit into your bag and go along with you on shoots, this is the light here. So thanks for watching. Definitely check out more of our reviews and our gear list down on the Full Coverage Media Group page. And yeah, we'll hopefully see you again soon. Thanks for watching.